Hi guys, I'm Ange and I'm back for another clay tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make grains on my slabs. Wood grain is an alternating pattern of light and dark colors that result in the lines that we see on lumber. So that is what I will attempt to make, except in this case I'm using a more colorful palette. For my colors, I used white, black, pink, peach, mint green, and mauve. I also used a clay blade and a clay roller. Those are the only materials you'll need. So the first thing that I did was I conditioned my clay. I'm sorry that the image got blurred. For some reason, my camera wouldn't cooperate when I'd bring my roller out. Once I conditioned my clay, I rolled out each color in the number 8 setting. I first rolled out the white, followed by the rest of the colors. For the main slab, because you will be covering it up with the grain pattern, it really doesn't matter what color you choose. In this case, I just used a bright pink color and rolled it out into the number 3 setting on my roller. Now, I arranged all my colors. What I will try to do here is to make a flat cane, if there is such a thing. A cane is actually a log that has a pattern in it. But since we won't be rolling this out into a log, it's technically not a cane. Remember that what we are trying to do is to alternate light and dark colors here. So my alternating color is actually white. After putting one color, I place white on top of it again. Also, if you notice, I'm not bothering to clean out the edges. This is intentional because when you see wood grain, there are never any perfect lines. Once you have your pattern, it's time to bring out the clay blade. Cut a very thin slice of the flat cane and lay it out on the main slab. In this case, I placed the slice with the black line at the bottom on one side and then flip the slice to have the black line on top on the other side. It made for a very interesting design. The tedious part of this process is just filling out the entire slab with the slices. After filling out the slab, I passed this through the roller using the number 3 setting again. And this is the result. I just cut off the edges to neaten it up, and there you have it. There are grains on my slab. As you can see, I had so much fun with these grains. The resulting earrings were so retro. So that is it for my simple tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't yet, do consider liking and subscribing to this channel. Bye!